Hello viewers, this is Dr. D. Rajalakshmi. In today's session, we are going to see about cloud deployment models. We have different types of cloud deployment models and they are public, private, hybrid, community, multi-tenancy and single tenancy. Each model has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the right model for an organization will depend on its specific needs and requirements. Now let's see about the public model. In this model, a third-party service provider makes resources available to the end users over the internet. There are numerous public cloud solutions available today, including those from Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Public clouds can often be an inexpensive way for an organization to gain a required service quickly and efficiently. The following are the advantages of public clouds. The first one is lower cost and the second one is ability to scale resources quickly and easily. Public clouds can be less secure than private clouds. Next, let's see about private cloud deployment model. Cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization, that the infrastructure, resources and data are all exclusively used by that organization. The organization is responsible for the design, implementation and operation of the cloud resources and the servers that host them. AWS also offers Virtual Private Cloud (VPC) for users who want the scalability of the cloud while maintaining a private isolated environment. The following are the advantages of private clouds. The first one is increased security and compliance. The second advantage is the greater control over the infrastructure and resources. Next, let's see about hybrid deployment model. It combines the benefits of both the public cloud and the private cloud options. It follows strict rules because rules should be applied for what type of data is hosted in each portion of the hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds have several advantages such as increased security and compliance and scale resources quickly and easily. Hybrid clouds can be complex to set up and maintain, and organizations may need to invest in additional resources such as hardware and staff. This model offers the flexibility of the public cloud with the control and security of a private cloud. The next one is community deployment model. Cloud computing environment that is shared by a group of organizations with similar requirements. The resources and costs are shared among several different organizations who have common service needs. AWS Cloud is a specialized region designed to host sensitive data and regulated workloads in the cloud, meeting US government compliance requirements. Community clouds have several advantages such as increased security and compliance, ability to share resources and cost among the community. The security challenge here is that each organization may have their own security controls. The next is multi-tenancy model. Under this model, the same resources are used by multiple organizations. When two or more organizations share the same resources, there are some security concerns. Next is single tenancy model. Under this model, a single organization is assigned to a particular resource. Single tenancy is much less efficient than multi-tenancy, and it is also more expensive because it requires more hardware to run properly. Next, let's see about deployment model selection. The choice of model significantly influences the cost, control, scalability, and security of applications and services. On-premise deployment. It involves hosting applications and data on the infrastructure located within the organization's premises. It requires significant upfront capital investment and ongoing maintenance costs. Private cloud deployment model is usually paired with an on-premise deployment solution. Next is cloud deployment. It involves hosting applications and data on a cloud platform. Public cloud deployment is also referred to as a cloud deployment. Hybrid deployment. It combines on-premises and cloud-based infrastructures into one deployment model. If an organization has substantial on-premise infrastructure but wants to leverage the benefits of the cloud, a hybrid model could be a good fit. Multi-cloud deployment. It involves using more than one cloud service from different providers. Organizations that are seeking to avoid vendor lock-in or to meet specific geographic or service requirements may opt for a multi-cloud approach. The choice of deployment model depends on various factors, that is, business needs, budget, compliance requirements, and technical capabilities. The key to successful deployment model selection is aligning the model with your organization's strategic objectives and operational needs. That's all about deployment models. Thank you.